Are you feeling so unmotivated today and it's as if your life is not going the way you planned it? I have good news for you today. The problem is not your circumstances, it's just your mindset. That is why in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 simple mindset shifts that will completely transform your life. The thing is that if you apply these mindset shifts I'm about to mention, you'll see results faster than you envisage. Trust me.
Savvy life coach, guiding your way, step by step through life. Savvy life coach, guiding your way, step by step through life.
The first shift is for you to move from scarcity mindset to abundance mindset. You see, many people believe that success is limited. They believe that if someone else wins, then they lose. But sincerely, there is enough to go around. I want you to start seeing opportunities, start seeing abundance. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, why don't you try asking yourself, how do I or how can I afford this? And your brain will begin looking for the right solutions. The right solutions instead of shutting down. The next one is from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. I come again. From a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. Okay, so if you believe that you are either good or bad at something and that's the way it is, my dear, you are just stuck in a fixed mindset. The thing is that people who succeed or people who make it in life believe in growth. If you failed at something before doesn't mean that you can't make it. It just means that you are learning. So instead of saying, I can't do this, why don't you say, I can't do this yet? Next one is from shifting from complaining to problem solving. You see, we all have things we are not comfortable with. Things we are unhappy with. But successful people don't waste time complaining. What do they do instead? They solve problems. Yes. So instead of saying life is so unfair with me, oh, why is life treating me this way? Why don't you ask yourself, what can I do rightly? What can I do correctly to change this? See, the moment you shift from playing the victim to action mode, your life changes. Trust me. The next one is from fear to action. See, fear keeps on holding so many people bound. But the truth is that fear is just excitement without breath. Yes. So my dear, instead of waiting until you feel ready, why don't you start taking actions today? Today, no matter how little it is, start today. Let me tell you something. You don't need confidence to start. Confidence will come as soon as you start. The last mindset shift I'll be mentioning is from waiting to creating. Please stop waiting for the perfect time. Please stop waiting for the right time, the perfect time, permission. Instead, start creating your future now. You are in control of your life. Why don't you start now? Take one step today and your future self will say thank you to you. So now that you know these 5 simple mindset shifts, which one will you start applying as from now? Let me hear it in the comments below. Tell me in the comments below. I did love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful and useful, if this video is of value to you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed already, why do I keep on saying subscribe? This thing is free of charge. Just hit the subscribe button there. So until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and remember, you've got the power to transform you. See you in my next video.